why you say hi to them.
Yes.
Your cousin Michelle is here too.
Yes.
You know that, don't you?
Yeah, I'm gonna see her. The last time I was here, 6 or 7 years ago, when I had breakfast at Dario and Batta made the breakfast. That was 6-7 years ago.
But the farm was finished, right? See, I want to cover it. I want to cover it with build a little umbrella on top of it when it rains.
Yes, yes. I think that's a good idea with the umbrella. Very good. Lots of homes are for sale here. Somebody's selling their house.
Where?
In Mulholland Road.
Oh, okay.
No, Caden.
Cornell Road.
Yes.
Come
pretty.
to the front, see the pool too.
Okay.
Well, Steve, it's so good to have you here, man.
Thank you.
It's been too long.
Yep.
It's been too long, and it takes Dallas Cowboys to get you here.
Yeah. My team is in Oxnard.
Yeah, yeah. That's only about 15 miles from here.
15 minutes.
Well, it depends on traffic, probably half an hour.
Yeah. There's the pool area over here.
Yeah, we had all the kids, grandkids out here.
Yeah.
Come this way. We had see the swings here for the kids.
That's nice.
We had, and this is for little babies.
Yeah.
We got those things that slide. Are you filming?
Yes. It's real nice.